Mbote! Hello guys, welcome back on another lesson from Lingala Academy channel, the best place to learn Lingala language easier and faster. If you're new here or this is your first time watching this channel, welcome. Please like the video, comment and share with your friends and families. And if you're serious about learning Lingala language, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification so you don't miss any future lesson. And if you want to connect with me on social media, you can add me on Snapchat by tapping the love gracias. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Lingala Academy. Also, if you want to join the group that I created on Instagram to help you practice Lingala language with me or any member in the group, feel free to send me a message at Lingala Academy. Then I can add you into the group. Today's lesson is the part 2 on how to conjugate verbs in the present continuous tense or present progressive tense in Lingala. Last time I made a video on how to conjugate verbs in the present continuous tense in the contracted form. But today we're finishing up with the long form. So if you missed the first lesson on the contracted form, you can pause this video and click on the upper right corner here to watch the video. Then you can come back to watch this one. Okay, let's start it. We're starting with the rules because once you master the rules, you will be able to conjugate any verb in Lingala in the present continuous tense. Note that, like I said last time, to conjugate verbs in the present continuous tense in Lingala, you need to know two things, two verbs. The verb kozala, which means to be, but for the long term or the long form, you will need your second verb to stay in the infinitive form. The second verb for the long form always stays in the infinitive form. Example, you will have kozala and the second verb which stays in the infinitive. Here we're using the verb to help or kosunga. That's why I put kosunga in the infinitive form. First rule, you need to drop ko at the front of the verb kozala. Right here, you drop ko on the verb kozala, to be, and you will leave the second verb in the infinitive form. It could be kozala, which means to help. It could be to do. To do means kosala. So any verb here will remain in the infinitive form. Next, once you have done that, you will remain with zala and the second verb in the infinitive form. Next step, remove a at the end of zala. Then replace it with I. Then you need to add the second verb that remain in the infinitive form. Now you have zali plus the infinitive verb, which is kosunga for this example. Finally, last step, you need to choose the appropriate subject pronoun. Like I said, Na is for I, O is for you, A is for he or she, E is for it, To is for you, Bo is for no, Sto is for we, Bo is for you, and Ba is for they. And put it at the front and connect it with Zali and the verb kosunga, or any verb that remain in the infinitive form. So for example, you will have Nazali kosunga. Nazali kosunga means I'm helping. Second example, Ozali kosunga biso mingi. Ozali kosunga biso mingi. Ozali kosunga biso mingi means you are helping us a lot. Now let's practice. For the verb kosunga in the present continuous tense in Lingala, you will have, in the long form, you will have Nazali kosunga. Nazali kosunga means I'm helping, or I am helping, because it's a long form. Ozali kosunga. Ozali kosunga means you are helping. Azali kosunga. Azali kosunga means he is or she is helping. Ezali kosunga. Ezali kosunga means it is helping. Tozali kosunga. Tozali kosunga means we are helping. Bozali kosunga. Bozali kosunga. Bozali kosunga means you are helping. Second person of the plural. Bazali kosunga. Bazali kosunga. Bazali kosunga means they are helping. Let's do another example. Now we're dealing with the verb kobina. Kobina. Kobina means to dance. If I want to say I'm dancing is Nazali kobina. Nazali kobina. You are dancing. Ozali kobina. Ozali kobina. He is or she is dancing. Azali kobina. Azali kobina. It is dancing. Ezali kobina. Ezali kobina. We are dancing. Tozali kobina. Tozali kobina. You are dancing. Second person of plural means bozali kobina. Bozali kobina. And finally we have they are dancing. Bazali kobina. Bazali kobina. Before we conclude this lesson, the key element that you want to know or to be familiar with if you want to conjugate the verb in the present continuous tense in Lingala in the long form. So just memorize the subject pronoun followed by zali and followed by the infinitive form of the verb that you want to conjugate. For example, for the verb kokumba, kokumba means to drive. So it also means to carry on. So if you want to say I'm driving, you will say nazali kokumba. Nazali kokumba. The verb kosala. For the verb kosala, kosala means to walk. So if you want to say I'm walking or I am walking, you will say nazali kosala. Nazali kosala. And finally, for the verb kobunda, kobunda means to fight. And if you want to say we are fighting in Lingala is tozali kobunda. Tozali kobunda. So comment below. Just pick any verb that you want to conjugate. It could be any of 3 verbs here. So pick one, pick your favorite, and try to conjugate the verb in the present continuous tense in your comment. So I will give you any feedback to tell you which one you got wrong and which one you got right. And I will see you in the next video.
Oi, 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 oi.
This is the end of this video. If you like it and you like the work that we're doing, please hit the like button, share this video with your friend, family, and anyone you want to learn Lingala with. Also, comment below to show your love and support to keep us motivated to bring you more quality lessons. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the ring so we send you all the notifications whenever we upload a new lesson. And make sure you also add us on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, because we also send notifications there and we send some stuff that you guys cannot find here on YouTube. If you want to support us financially to buy new equipment to bring you more quality lessons, you can donate on paypal.com/Lingala Academy, or you can also donate on patreon.com/Lingala Academy. Thank you and see you next time.